Thank you for the purchase of a Victa straight shaft trimmer. I'm going to spend the next couple of minutes walking you through the assembly process so that you're ready to operate. Inside the box you'll find a number of components including the power head, the lower shield, the handlebar, a couple of tools and of course the two-stroke mixing bottle. You'll also find the operator's manual in the carton. Please take time to read it and please make sure you're wearing the correct PPE when you operate this machine. The first thing you need to do is put the handle onto the top shaft, or the power head as we call it, and in the box you will find this. Undo this wing nut until the lower portion undoes. Inside here you'll also find a pin, and on the back of the shaft you will see that there is two locating holes. This is designed so that you can set the correct operator height according to how you'd like to use the machine. Simply locate the handle with the lower pin into one of the holes, put the wing nut back through and screw until it is really firmly in position and not wobbling or moving around. It's okay just to do this finger tight. You don't need to use any tools when you're putting this together. Once you've got that handle fitted to the machine, it's time to put the lower shield on. So take the lower shaft and the shield, and you'll see on the lower shaft that there is two captive Allen keys. These locate into two holes on the bottom of the shield. So quite simply take this portion, align it with one of the Allen keys, or one of the Allen screws, and put it together. In the box you will find an Allen key, and once you have these screwed down, then use the Allen key to tighten them both very firmly into position until that lower shield is locked down and tight. And that is your lower shaft put together. Once you've got those two pieces done, it's time to put the two halves together. On the top of the shaft you'll see that there is a small protective rubber cap. Remove that. It's no longer required. And on the bottom of the top shaft you'll also see that there is a captive rubber plug. Remove that. It's no longer required. Make sure that this wing nut is loosened off. It's captive, you can't undo it too far, but it needs to be loosened off to allow for the lower shaft to go into the top shaft. You'll see here on the lower shaft there's also a small pin. It's spring loaded and it's designed to lock together through this hole on the machine. So when you put the two pieces together, you'll see that once it's located, and you can move it and make sure that it's located, and you can see the pin visibly coming through the hole. Then take this wing nut, tighten it up, and you have the machine ready for operation. Now that you have your Victa straight shaft trimmer assembled and ready for use, just a note here with regards to the trimmer head. It comes from factory with 2.4mm diameter line. However, the machine will operate with line from the diameter of 2mm to 3mm. It's now time to get our fuel and oil mixture ready to go into the fuel tank of the trimmer. This comes with a little bottle so you can do your mixing ratios, but you do need to have the specific two-stroke oil. It's available at Bunnings, and also fresh fuel. This trimmer operates on a ratio of 1 part oil to 40 parts unleaded petrol. So make sure that you mix those two together well and add them to the fuel tank of the machine, and you're ready to operate your trimmer. But please do not forget, again, to refer to your operator's manual and make sure you're wearing the correct PPE when you operate this trimmer.